What's up, guys? This is the network back with another video, and today we are talking about how to flood your personal and business credit reports with primary trade lines using utility reporting, vendor verification, and low-cost monthly tools that most people overlook. And now a lot of you watching this got a business with no trade lines, or you got a personal score but no primaries showing up, and you wondering why the funding ain't hitting like it's supposed to. You trying to apply for a card and they denying you because they don't see any active primary accounts. Well, take this walk with me. We're going to break down exactly how to build out your profile using a method that's damn near automated once you set it up. And no, this ain't fluff. This is real-world application from the network. This video is for educational purposes only. And if you need help setting this up step by step or want to build a full file that gets funding fast, contact the network on Discord only. We no longer use Telegram. Now let's get into it. The first site you want to know about is a platform called eCredable Business. And that's where we're starting. For just $20 a month, they'll report multiple utility and vendor trade lines to your business credit file. We're talking light bill, water bill, internet, cell phone, Spotify, Zoom, whatever tools you use. As long as you pay the bill from your business account or you say your business is covering the expense, they'll accept it. And the key here is not what you're paying, the key is how you frame what you're paying. If you're running your business from home and paying utilities, guess what? That's a business expense. If you got a T-Mobile phone line and you use it for business calls, that's a business expense. If you pay internet to run your store, your site, your Discord, that's a business expense. eCredable lets you turn those monthly bills into trade lines. And not just one trade line, like you can add 5, 10, even 20 accounts. They're going to verify each one and post them to your business credit report. That's how you go from a ghost profile to a fully built file with age primary data that shows consistency. You want to apply for vendor accounts? Cool. Use this first to make your file look active. Now, they also offer on-demand account verification for $25 per entry. So if you got an office lease or you're paying business insurance or you work with a supplier or vendor and you're paying invoices, you can have that verified and added too. And the more trade data, the stronger your file. Now here's where it gets even better. They got a personal version of this too, just called eCredable. It's not the business side, it's just for personal credit. And it reports to TransUnion. You know how people always say Experian and Equifax are where the weight is? Now listen to me. TransUnion is the one that makes the real difference when you're applying for certain cards and loans. Think about Apple Card, that's TransUnion. Think about American Express, they pull TransUnion depending on your region. Barclays, that's a big one. They pull TransUnion too, and they give out heavy limits. I'm talking 30K, 40K, 50K, and up. So let's say your TransUnion file only got 2 or 3 accounts right now, maybe a credit card and a loan. That's not going to cut it. You need at least 10 accounts reporting to be considered fair. If you under 10, you're in the needs work section automatically, and that's why you keep getting denied. eCredable reports those monthly bills to your personal TransUnion file. And again, you're using stuff you're already paying for, utilities, phone rent, streaming services, and they backdate based on how long you've been paying that bill. And that's the cheat code. You don't have to open a bunch of expensive credit builder accounts like Self or Kickoff or all that stuff. Like, you're already paying these bills. You're just making sure they count. They'll connect directly to your bank account, so the verification process is automatic. You just link your bank account, add the bills, and then they start reporting. Simple 3-step setup. Bank account, accounts, reporting is done. Now, this is not just about getting trade lines, this is about getting creditworthiness. Because the way lenders look at it, if they see a thick profile with 10 plus trade lines that have never been late, they trust you more than the dude with a 720 score and 2 accounts. And if you're setting up for a play where you want to get funding in 30 to 45 days, you need these primaries showing before you apply. Some of you are running LLCs trying to get funding with nothing reporting. You're invisible. And if your personal is weak too, you're double invisible. But this solves that. And we're not gatekeeping. You can build out a file in 30 days using just these tools. Build out your TransUnion and build out your business credit, then stack your applications the right way. Now, if you're in the network mentorship, we'll actually show you how to time your applications, which banks to hit in what order, how to use CPNs or personal credit as a guarantor, and how to liquidate the funding once it hits. But even if you're not there yet, this info right here can change your whole setup. Use it. This is part of a 31-day no gatekeeping challenge. We're dropping real methods, real steps, no fluff. But you got to take action. Nobody's going to build your credit for you unless you pay them. And even then, they can't do what you won't understand. This gives you the power to do it yourself. And if you do need help or want to build a complete profile from scratch, contact the network on Discord. We'll walk you through it or do the setup for you. Just remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Don't be lazy with free game. Rewatch it, apply it, and run your numbers up. This is the network, and we'll catch you in the next video.